Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to find eigenvalues in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got a matrix that's kind of difficult to solve, a large matrix, and you'd want to find the eigenvalues of that matrix, but quite frankly, if it's greater than a 3 by 3 matrix, then it is pretty difficult to find the eigenvalues manually. So I'll be showing you how to find eigenvalues of a matrix in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. This should be fairly simple. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so the code is easier to see. What you're going to do is just type eigenvalues, this first option that pops up, and then you're going to type the square brackets, and inside this you can simply type your matrix or your array. So I'm just going to have it be a very simple 3 by 3 matrix and just typing that in. Great, so there I have my matrix typed in inside the square brackets, and now if I run this, as you can see, I get the 3 eigenvalues of this matrix that I've typed in. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to find eigenvalues for matrix in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.